Hey guys, welcome to the Beer Banters Football Podcast. So we finished with the first weekend of games in the Premier League. A fairly routine result for every team. Chelsea, a fairly comfortable victory against Brighton. Arsenal played against Fulham 3-0, easy. Of course, United and City didn't play. But as we head into the second weekend, a very important fixture. Liverpool play Chelsea.
Yeah.
That's it.
So today we'll be doing the preview of all the fixtures that are coming up. And let's begin with the Fernando Torres derby, or as the Liverpool fans call it, the Salah derby. But let's just call it Liverpool versus Chelsea. So yes, guys. Before we get into the preview, I'd like everyone to pick a combined 11 from Liverpool and Chelsea. So should we go position wise, Bhagu?
Let's let's start with goalkeeper. Obvious choice, Kepa, the world's most expensive goalkeeper. Any
No
debate?
doubt there, right?
Kepa will be starting
I
for
would
sure.
I would probably pick Adrian over Kepa.
Oh, I thought you'd say Karius. Sanath, what about you?
I think
Karius is worse.
I think Kepa would be a better choice than Willie at least. I think he's gaining confidence and it's just a matter of time before he does well. So as a Chelsea fan, I have to be optimistic about Kepa. There's no other option.
Justin Fab tweeted Mendy is in for medicals. No,
I guess he
but
won't be playing against Liverpool. Yeah, he won't be playing
No.
against Liverpool.
Okay, so the keeper's done.
Kunal?
Yeah, I
Like,
hope Kepa
okay.
plays because Chelsea fans are flying too high, so I want them to lose badly. So Kepa.
Okay.
But fairly logically speaking, Allison is in. No debate there.
Definitely.
Let's go to right back, Richard.
Yeah, right back. James SP, or the one who scored a beautiful own goal that got cancelled. Trent. Sorry, if you didn't catch up on that. Any debates there? I think it should be Trent.
Yeah, I take Trent too.
For sure.
Trent, no doubt.
No doubt.
Ignoring the current position, do you think James is potentially as good a player as Trent going forward and a better player defensively? Potentially as good a player as Trent. We've seen signs.
Well, I feel defensively is better than Trent, but offensively Trent is better.
Yeah, I said
Yeah, I
potentially,
agree.
but
But I'd still take Trent in Liverpool's system because Henderson covers
Yeah.
for him. It works.
Yes, before I think we go on to the next position, 4-3-3, the formation. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Both play with the 4-3-3 now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are definitely fine with 4-3.
Definitely 4-3-3.
Yes.
Makes
so
sense.
first centre back, who do you think it should be?
For Chelsea, I guess it would be Kurt Zuma for sure. Again, starting.
Kurt Zuma in the combined 11.
I think I'd go with Rudiger on this.
Rudiger and Kurt Zuma, I guess.
Whoa, did you forget Van Dijk?
Van Dijk is a given.
That was shocking.
Despite
I was just joking. It would be Van Dijk for sure, but latest form, he's in.
Any
A little shaky.
But in any form, I don't think.
Yeah. Looking at Chelsea's defense too, Van Dijk is good. So he would be
Good.
combined 11 for sure.
Van Dijk is better than any Chelsea centre back.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Easily.
Van Dijk takes the place anytime. Second
Sanath,
place.
you seem quite on the
I'm not
defense
sure.
part here.
It's just because Thiago Silva isn't playing right now. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so
Thiago Silva is back in training, right? But is he
He's
match fit?
he's back in training. He's
Yeah,
training
I'd take Thiago Silva.
There's only been one training session that he's done so far. So I don't think he'll be playing against Liverpool at least. But we can put Rudiger and VVD in the combined 11 as a fair option.
But I read a report from Simon Johnson
Yeah.
maybe. He said Thiago Silva is in contention to start along with Kurt Zuma and not Rudiger.
I think they're going to play three at the back, and Silva will play. Because I don't
maybe
trust
because
any
we've
of
seen
those two
Lampard
centre
go-
backs. They are going to concede 3-4 goals. So they need a 3-man defense
Yeah.
against a Liverpool team.
Yeah, but Liverpool like plays.
Something what
And we have seen
Arteta did very well.
Yeah, it's working clearly.
Last year also Lampard adopted the five at the back.
against
For
Spurs.
certain
Maybe.
games. So I think he'll go with that. Yeah, he adopted it and
Maybe
he was quite
Yeah,
good.
many
He
teams
has James going forward on the. He
right
goes
wing
well
back
ahead. So
position.
yeah.
So moving on to the left back,
Um,
Chilwell fit
left back.
or
No,
is it?
I don't think
No,
Chilwell
no, no.
will.
Andy
I'll take
Robertson all
Robertson.
day.
I'll take Robertson any day.
Robertson any day.
Robertson.
Yeah.
I would
Okay,
also
so
go
no
with
debate.
Robertson on this one.
Definitely.
Four-
No debates
four
on
out
that.
of
No
five.
debates on that.
4 out of
Over
5
Marcos
Liverpool right
Alonso,
now.
yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the
Easy
base.
part is the easy part is out of the way. Let's move to the more
Yeah.
interesting part.
Rohit,
Midfield
Thiago
three.
doesn't count. Please.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
yes,
let's get number 6. Who plays the number 6? Kante or Fabinho?
I'd go with Fabinho.
I'll take Kante. N'Golo
I
Kante.
think I'll
Anytime
go with
N'Golo
Kante.
Kante.
I'll go with
Kante at
Kante
his
as
best
well.
is
One.
better.
Siddharth?
2 Kante, 1 Fabinho.
Go with Fabinho. I mean, he has a lot of passing range to him. That's a lot more helpful than Kante at least.
Exactly. Kante being one of the top defensive midfielders, Fabinho has an excellent set of skill in the attack as well. So I'd prefer Fabinho currently right in this match.
Fabinho was fit last game week as well, no?
Yeah, he didn't
He didn't
start,
start.
did he?
It didn't start.
I mean, because Keita has been playing well
Yeah, exactly.
since lockdown. Yeah.
Fortunately, he's not injured right now. That's rare news, but yeah.
Yeah.
I do think
Yeah.
we will go
Fabinho.
with Kante here because
Another-
the side is going to be attack heavy, right?
Yeah. Team
What say,
needs like
Rohit? Can you
hard
concede on this one?
work.
And Kante at his
Yeah.
best is, I think, better than last season. He wasn't at his best. He was.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There were
also a bit
injuries.
unfit.
There were injuries which pulled him back. But I think Kante at his best makes the side ahead of.
Yeah, so to add on this, I think Kante will be more useful for Chelsea in the game than Fabinho will be for Liverpool. Because
Yeah,
I
right. Good
see
point.
Liverpool attacking
Yeah.
more, so Kante will be needed to cover the spaces. Fabinho could not even play and it won't make a big difference, I feel. He'll start, but I think Kante is more useful. So
It's
Kante.
like that
Yeah,
with
it
every
will work
Liverpool
well.
player. Like
Yeah.
it's because of the system they're
System,
able to
right.
replace players.
Yeah.
Like Shaqiri playing against Barcelona didn't make much of a
India
difference
United.
because of the system.
Yeah.
And United. The second, the first box-to-box midfielder, Henderson or
This will be an interesting one.
I mean, Havertz played their last game week. Didn't have a good game. So, who are you going with? Hendo or Havertz?
The other option is Havertz. I'd still go with Henderson. I mean, he's more used to.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I
Havertz
didn't
needs a
hope
little bit
Henderson to
like
be in this combined 11, to be honest.
Even I
Look
don't
at the options. You have Keita, you have
All
Kovacic.
the Liverpool
But-
all the Liverpool mids,
Mount.
Wijnaldum and who's the other guy? Ox.
Keita,
Whoever
Henderson.
plays,
Yeah,
so they
Oxlade
all
is
will play
injured.
that. Havertz is a cam mostly, so he'll play ahead if he plays in a 3.
yeah, he plays like a center forward role, like
In the
Cam.
previous game, I think he was playing on the wing,
Season.
so he was.
Yeah, on
Yeah.
the right.
Yeah. Second
Yes,
striker.
I think Kovacic
Second
is
striker.
So for
allowed
me,
to play the
Kovacic
next.
is easily the best player.
Yeah,
on a
if he's
combined
fit,
level.
Yeah.
he should be in the 11, I guess.
But be it anything, Henderson has been the runners-up in the Player of the Year award. Also, he has also won a couple of
knows how.
awards as the best player of the season.
That-
Exactly.
God
So
knows how.
anyone
God
can
knows.
say anything, but Henderson has been a brilliant player and a brilliant team leader this season, at least this season. So definitely he deserves a spot in the middle.
Again, it's the Liverpool system. Like, does he get into a City side or even a United side or even Arsenal?
He won't
Definitely.
play in any of the other
Arsenal
top
without-
5 teams. He will not play in any of the other top 6 teams.
I doubt in the City squad, but in the others, I don't think that would be much of a problem. He's a tremendous player, both attacking wise, defensive wise. His work rate is tremendous, as we all know, and he is obviously a massive leader.
So,
So,
who are
He is
going
a
on?
what's
leader.
the
He is a
unanimous
leader.
decision?
He is a leader, but he is very much a system player, and I don't think he fits into any other top 6 team except Liverpool. So yeah, I'll go
let's
with
vote.
Kovacic.
Let's
Yeah,
keep this spot
Kovacic.
open for now. Okay, Kovacic it is.
Let's
Okay,
vote.
no
Yeah,
problem.
or let's vote.
I'd go
Yeah,
for
I'll
Kovacic
go with
for me.
Kovacic.
Yeah, I go with
Kovacic.
Kovacic as well.
Kovacic. Any day.
Sorry, Rohit, it's democracy. Okay. The creator or the next midfielder.
Who do you think will play there for Liverpool? Keita or Wijnaldum?
Data for sure.
I think for this game, Wijnaldum is going to start. The trio Wijnaldum, Henderson, Fabinho will start. That's my call, because Keita is a brilliant dribbler, but he loses the ball at very crucial stages, and we cannot simply afford that during the Chelsea game. So we need to keep the position. So Wijnaldum is a fantastic ball holder. Henderson, Fabinho, obviously. So I think that trio has been fantastic over the last season, and Klopp will retain this decision for this game.
I think Loftus-Cheek is definitely out of the question.
Yeah. Was he playing at the striker's position?
I was never in the question.
He didn't allow Havertz to play in his own position, and he played worse than Havertz in his own position. Havertz was shit. It was a very bad game by Loftus.
Remember the time when Chelsea fans used to compare Loftus-Cheek with Pogba?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it was
This
just
is
too.
It's the
been
injuries.
unfortunate.
It's the injuries.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean
We'll agree it's
Yeah.
been unfortunate, but when given a chance, come on, Pogba, Loftus-Cheek. Do we even have a debate there?
It's just the injuries, Ray. Just wait and see.
Yeah, he's got 3 more years on Pogba. Pogba is 27, and I think RLC is like 20, 23.
it's just bait,
He's 25.
Yeah.
and we bite
Yeah,
every
but-
time.
Loftus-Cheek is 25.
No, Loftus-Cheek's 24.
Still waiting for his first
Okay.
break.
We didn't catch you. That was it?
Yeah, so he's still waiting for his first break. But if I had to go, I'd still go for Havertz because his last season was very good. He's not settled in the PL team, but if I wanted to go to a third mid, a guy who's creative, I think he still levels up above any of the others. Looking at his performances in the Bundesliga and Europa, I think he's pretty good.
So
And
should
he's
we
in my
shift this
FPL
to a
team.
4-2-3-1?
I don't
Should we shift this to a
Havertz-
4-2-3-1?
Maybe Havertz is a third choice midfielder there.
It's 4-3-3 also.
Yeah, he still gets in.
Okay.
Still
So
playing in the 4-3-3 system.
we'll skip the right wing. We know who's the obvious choice.
Before we
It's
begin
the
on the
ex-Chelsea
striker
man, I
position,
guess.
before we begin on the striker position, let me tell you on Timo Werner's comment after the last game about how tall and how rough the Premier League defenders are. He is not
But I-
prepared for Premier League. And before any one of you comments on picking Werner over Firmino, just think about that Werner hasn't performed yet.
Yeah, but you know, Liverpool plays with
We
very
had it
high line.
coming.
No,
We
but
saw
Klopp
his
also wanted
flashes
Werner.
last game.
Like that.
Klopp also
Yeah.
wanted Werner.
But
Klopp also
I
wanted
don't-
Werner
Yeah,
to
he
play.
did.
So
Yeah, he did.
yeah,
But we
so
haven't
You're,
seen him
about big
play.
you're forgetting the fact that Klopp wanted to replace Firmino with Werner. So and
Yeah,
Chelsea
yeah.
already has that player. So I guess it's a
Exactly,
manager's
I mean-
pick right here.
No,
We
no,
don't
no,
need to
no. He
debate
didn't
about
Yeah.
it.
He didn't want to replace Firmino.
Okay, then when
we are
would
talking
Firmino
purely-
play in if Werner?
he wanted to shift Firmino to CDM so that Werner could play up top, right?
CAM,
I
but
get it
okay.
10 goal for
Close.
bench,
Close enough.
30 goal Werner, you're saying?
Werner is a
And-
proper. He's an out and out striker.
Yeah, but he's
But if
he's
you see-
better than Firmino.
But if you see, Liverpool plays very high line, and everyone knows Timo Werner makes that defense
Yeah.
particulars.
Maybe I think this
I think
Liverpool game is the
enjoy playing
perfect
against
for
Liverpool.
Werner. I mean, I think
Yeah,
this
maybe
Liverpool
enjoy
game is
it,
the
yeah.
perfect for Werner to announce himself because
Yeah.
I saw the game against Brighton. He made almost like 4 to 5 runs. He was offside for 3 times, but that will not happen against Liverpool because of the high line they
Yeah.
play.
Also
He
didn't get
He
the
dribbles
pass
the
that he
game.
those
wanted.
defense cutting runs
Yeah.
through the defense. And
Yeah.
he's very pacey. Everyone knows that.
Yeah,
It's
he's
going to be
pacey.
similar to
Definitely.
how
He
He
knows
is pacey.
Jamie
he
Vardy
can.
plays against Liverpool.
Yeah.
I mean, got a much better
Yeah.
striker.
Yeah, with the better
He
finish. No,
scored
I
that wonderful goal
can't say a
against
better finish.
Liverpool.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Mignolet was in goal
That volley.
from the left
Yeah,
wing.
love the
That
keeper.
marking.
Yeah,
Yes.
It was brilliant.
Oh,
Lob over the.
Excellent goal.
Yeah.
that was mind blowing.
Was
Yeah.
that was the league when Spurs finished third in a two-man race.
Yeah.
That was
2015,
our
16.
highest point in for another decade or so.
Chelsea again killing the hopes for another team in that game. So
And
the last position.
Arsenal finished second that season, and they were not in the title race for the entire season.
No, we
Was
were
that a
like
season?
Let's not
December,
comment on that.
January.
The
We were
17-18
till
season was
December,
the same for us.
January. We had no chance of finishing second, like till 3 games left. But then they lost. We won. We still didn't have a chance. There was a 5-goal swing or something, and then they lost 5-1 to Newcastle, and we won our game 2-3-0, and we went ahead. That does
I was
not
following
happen
that
to any
season.
other team. Spurs.
Yeah,
You probably would have challenged for the title if you had a better striker than Giroud. And you went on a 10-game drought or something that you.
I get angry. Yeah, Ozil had 19 assists till December, and then the guy didn't score. Giroud didn't score for the next 4 months, and Ozil remained on 19 assists. Could have won that. If we had Uba that season, we would have won the league.
Oh
Yeah.
my
He was
god.
just, he was
Bold
just
call,
saving it
bold
up to
call.
score against
See what
Tottenham.
happens
But
this season.
but you still didn't have a defense back then.
Yeah, but we.
And dead Mertesacker in the defense.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
Jira.
Looking ahead now, Mertesacker and Koscielny was the most stable defense we had. They used to keep a lot of clean sheets. After that, what I've seen in the last
Yeah.
3-4 years.
Those clean sheets were against the relegation sides. I mean, you were still getting bantered 6-0, 4-0 against the top sides.
Against the top teams, yeah, but that's changing now. So I think I'm getting happy again. Batter season is going away. Yeah, you
hopes
just
are
won
back, it
8-2
seems.
like 3 months back against Bayern. So yours is still very much
7-2. I mean, I'll take 1 goal less.
7-2. Yeah.
It is possible.
big team. Big team. Doesn't matter.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
so
move
we've
on.
gone
Okay,
way
you
off
want to
track here,
debate
way
about
off
the
track here.
striker? Yeah.
Werner.
Let's
Did
vote
we
on
pick
it.
Werner?
No.
No.
Anyone
Just
up for
because
Fabinho?
just because Firmino has dropped his form. You guys are missing the link. He creates for Salah and Mane.
You're forgetting that we have
forgetting
another
second.
candidate here in the name of Tammy who's scored 15 Premier
No.
League goals.
No.
So
Not even
No.
15 Premier League goals is not bad after you
But-
make your Premier League.
Yeah,
We
debut
don't
once.
do that
After
here.
playing in championship and the first season, 15 goals is enough, I guess.
All the things that Firmino does, the defensive striker, he still missed the second or third most chances. He just can't shoot.
Yeah.
That's the problem. All
Yeah, I
that
mean,
is
if he
good.
hadn't taken
Defensive
any shots,
abilities is
that would
good.
have been different.
But he
So give
needs
17
much
games
more
to score a
clinical.
bloody home goal.
Did you see the last game against Leeds? He missed a one-on-one that
Yeah.
nobody could
Yeah.
believe.
Yeah.
Such a-
That was pathetic. I agreed.
Yeah, I think Tammy would have finished that. Or even Giroud.
No.
But Tammy couldn't have got it into the box.
Oh.
Yeah, that's
That's
yeah.
big difference.
He would have fallen on the way somewhere.
Okay, so last position. Left wing Mane or who
Come
are the
on,
other
Mane.
candidates?
Pulisic?
Should be not Pulisic.
Pulisic is
Uh,
better.
Pulisic
I don't
starting.
know.
Should be
Still-
starting
I'll take Mane.
Yeah. Mane.
Mane or
because of his hamstring.
Mane.
Mane.
Okay.
Mane.
If
So,
Pulisic was to start, I would have gone with Pulisic for
Yeah,
this
even
season
I would have gone with Pulisic.
because Mane
like-
looked very
I like
shaky
both
against
of
Leeds.
them. But Mane has been
Mane.
he's been here for
Mane
much
was very
longer
shaky
and
against
he's usually very
Leeds,
good.
like,
Yeah.
he
but
had
I
good
Do you think
chances.
this has been like a issue with Pulisic? He's never been fit for more than 3 or 4 weeks. Throughout
Yeah, even in
throughout his career.
Dortmund, he was on a good run and then got injured, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
with
and he
hamstring.
was replaced by Jadon Sancho. certain Jadon Sancho.
Don't
The
do
man
that.
who did
He's
Tim,
not
please.
coming. He's not coming.
All is full.
Nobody is coming. Nobody's going to United rather.
Hello,
Blazers
darkness,
out.
my good friend.
Blazers out.
Okay, so Bhargav, can you just recap the 11 for us?
Yeah, let's in goal, Alisson. Right back, Trent. First defender, Rudiger. Second defender, VVD. Left back, Robertson. Kante at CDF. Havertz and Kovacic the midfield. Right wing, Salah. Center forward, Werner. And left wing, Mark. Right? Good to
Yes.
go.
Yeah.
6 Liverpool players, 5 Chelsea players. Score spreads. Rohit?
Liverpool wins 3-2. It's going to be a high scoring game for sure, but we win 3-2.
Attack versus attack.
Siddharth?
I think I'd go with Rohit and with a 3-2 for Liverpool.
Kunal?
Tough to predict, but I think 4-2 Liverpool.
Okay, it's 3
4 to
Liverpool till now. Josefa?
4-3 Liverpool.
4-3.
Chelsea at its best could have drawn the
I
match, but
think this game has come too early for them. If they were 3-4
Yeah.
games,
yeah, I think Pulisic and Ziyech. If Pulisic and Ziyech would have played, probably it could have
Pulisic
been.
might still play. I think. I don't know. I think it was
Because
bad.
last time he made a big impact.
Yeah.
Definitely, he did. Pulisic was lethal last time he played Liverpool.
Maybe he could come off the bench.
Possible, yeah.
Maybe,
Make a
we don't
similar
know.
Yeah, to
impact.
change the game. Varad?
I think a 2-2 draw.
Spoken like a United fan. Sorry, I just said Chelsea right there. Sorry, my bad.
I think for me, it would be 3-3 all.
3-all. So
Yeah,
everyone's
it's a bit
going for like
controversial,
a,
but
So not a
it would be
single
a
one
high-scoring
says
match.
Chelsea win.
But no, it would be a 3-all.
I mean, if Leeds
Okay.
can do it, I think Chelsea can definitely do it.
Yeah.
and a good manager.
I'd
That's
say
true.
Klopp
That's true. Manager matters.
Yeah, speaking of that Leeds
That's
game,
not
Blues.
that defense, Rohit, what happened there?
Exactly. But now I'm feeling lucky enough that before the Chelsea game, Van Dijk did an absolutely shocking error, and that probably must be an eye opener for him and Klopp as well to bolster the defense and to put in some different strategy against Chelsea, because obviously Klopp knows and the world knows how Chelsea can be lethal this season. So
Klopp
definitely
plays
Van
the
Dijk
same
has to
way.
lead this.
This is
Sorry?
what Arteta also did. This is what Pep also does. They play a high line, then you put a long ball in, and then Uba goes in. It's very, and I can see that complimenting Werner, because
Oh, no, yeah.
he always
Yeah, he
plays
just
the left side of the forward line and he makes those type of runs. So I think he could score if you give him the ball over the
Do you
top. I
think
think he could
maybe Giroud to allow Werner to play from the left, and maybe
Yeah,
I mean
probably.
Havertz on the right.
I feel
maybe
they
like
have enough
you can-
Not
chemistry to
Havertz,
there is
actually
slight
link up.
chance.
Havertz can't be a
Why not
winger.
Havertz as a
He was very
center
poor
forward?
in the weekend as a winger. He played
Giroud is very good at something which Troy Deeney did with that 3-0 win over Liverpool. Troy Deeney
Yeah.
stated that he observed Lovren wasn't even looking at the ball. He was just man marking Troy Deeney. So what Deeney did was he just pulled off the man and let the space open for Sarr to just go in, and which Giroud does very brilliantly in every game he plays in.
Yeah, he holds the ball very well.
Even if you see like Werner at Leipzig, he had Yusuf Poulsen with him.
Yeah.
He played
And
as a
even
target man,
Exactly.
and Werner used to make runs from the
Make
left.
the runs.
So
Yeah.
maybe like he can be.
Yeah,
I think it's
Giroud
too
could
early
be
for
a
them to
Yusuf
actually
Poulsen.
link up without any proper matches
Exactly
on
my
them.
point.
If
That
they
is the
do
only
that, it will
problem.
be a. If they do that, it will be a 3-5-2 formation.
Yeah.
You can't play a 4 at the back against Liverpool, which is
why not
which
Havertz
is
as a center forward? He did do that role after the restart in Bundesliga.
actually both
Yeah, he
Werner
can.
and Havertz play like a second striker. Is that
Yeah,
your
like at the
scouting?
CF position,
I don't
not
think
actual
whether
striker.
They're not actual strikers. Even Werner he's never played as a lone striker. He plays as a second striker. You
Second
could
striker, yeah.
see him वो left side पे ही था the entire time. He was in left mid. At one point of the game, there were 5 players ahead of him. He was
Yeah.
behind them, but he wanted to be on the left side. So it's clear he has to change.
Just
his
loves
game.
that side, I guess.
Like
The only problem
whenever we talk about Chelsea, this point comes up, like they need to gel up. But maybe like Chelsea would have thought of this. They went with 8 new signings, 8 new first team players. So they can't use this excuse again and again. It was their decision to go with 8 new first team
Yeah,
players.
it's a bit
It's a-
risky.
a tried and trusted excuse because any team that buys so many players, that tends to not gel. So you've
Yeah.
seen many examples. I've not seen an example like I can't recount where a top team has done this. But for example, these relegation candidates
Real
who
Madrid.
come in.
Real Madrid this season.
Yeah, they have just gone
Or,
buying spree.
Probably not the right example, but Aston Villa last season.
Fulham
Yeah, but
went
top
11
new
new
signings.
back. Yeah.
11 new signings for Villa.
Fulham did the same and they just capitulated.
Yeah, Fulham.
But if you see the quality of signings,
World
like
class,
Ben Chilwell,
exactly.
Kai
They're all
Havertz,
world class players.
Yeah.
So
they're all world class and they're like all first team players. So
And Ancelotti
But
said
they
that
were always-
world class
Yeah,
players
I
don't
said
need
that.
time to gel.
yeah,
Ancelotti said that.
And the amount of money spent also, matters. When you're talking about Aston Villa didn't, go on a buying spree like Chelsea did this. So.
yeah.
It was used for them as well, but like it was always going to be this. I mean, they were buying Havertz. They already have a Mount. They have Ziyech. But they don't really have a proper CDM if Kante is not fit.
I think Lampard.
Jorginho, I don't think so. He's
it's a
good enough
top
to
heavy
play
team.
alone there.
It's a very
Yeah,
top heavy
Jorginho always
team.
needs.
And I'm an Arsenal fan, so I know what top heavy teams are. It does not work. You need a proper stability. We have
I think
taken so
Lampard
many years.
also
You're finally
mentioned recently
becoming a
that-
stable team now. So top heavy teams don't work. So I don't think they'll win. No chance.
I think Lampard
Yeah, Siddharth,
mentioned
you were saying?
recently
At least
that
not yet.
he's like academy players are good, but then after a point you need to focus on actual first team players that have experience in other leagues also.
Yeah, but
So, I mean,
you have to say that
Lampard trying out the new players like from the go itself.
yeah,
But
but
you know
so we
Mason
can say
Mount
that
is
Lampard
good
doesn't
today.
have
Mason
him
Mount
to-
went 10 players.
I don't think
Yeah.
the Mason Mount starts after like every player is fit. I don't think so. He starts.
Yeah, even I don't think
Yeah,
he would
Ziyech.
start.
Ziyech.
In
He
some
is
games,
Frank's
he's like a
favorite.
middle.
He is Frank's favorite, but yeah,
Yeah.
it's hard given the
Like
players
it's like
they've signed.
either him or Havertz. So maybe and Havertz is the
And I
obvious
think
choice.
Lamps will go with Havertz because
I
he-
think
he's
Liverpool game Mount could start because I don't
Yeah.
think he'll start
Yeah.
CHO. He won't
Ziyech
start.
is injured, so he won't start for sure.
And Pulisic also I don't
Pulisic
think
is
so.
also injured, so
So Mason Mount is going to
Mason
play
Mount
for
can
sure.
start.
Let's move to the
Considering-
next. Yeah, Rohit. Continue.
Considering the world-class players the Chelsea have bought in this season, obviously there is no doubt that they will perform excellent in the upcoming months or probably next year. But in the upcoming game against Liverpool, if the selected players like Havertz, Werner, they play on, and even Pulisic, do you guys think that honestly they can link up enough to hurt Liverpool?
I
Yeah.
think it will
If
be
they link
Liverpool.
They have the quality.
I think Liverpool
continue.
are also a bit out of the steam. They are still
Yeah, they
Yeah,
are-
definitely.
Yeah, that defensively
I saw
they're
Post
really
lockdown.
fragile.
Community Shield. I saw it against Leeds also because you don't concede. I mean, we are not used to seeing Van Dijk, Gomez, and all. Not Gomez, Van Dijk conceding so many goals. But yeah, Robertson was the only guy in the backline who looked like he's sharp. He was
Yeah.
very
Exactly.
Trent.
Even Trent got dribbled
Yeah.
past. Like
Yeah, Trent was
Trent
good.
was
I didn't
That's
call
a
him.
regular side. That's a regular side.
Yeah,
Trent,
yeah.
defensively,
I mean, yeah. So
That Harrison goal was just
He ended
Yeah.
I